Viola Davis is amazing. Her dedication to her craft is truly inspiring. When she took on the role in the movie Fences, she knew she had to embody the strength and resilience of her character. This wasn't just about acting, it was about transformation. She played a strong woman in the movie Fences. To do justice to the role, Viola committed herself to an intense fitness regimen. She wasn't just preparing mentally and emotionally, she was also preparing physically. This level of commitment is what sets her apart. To get ready, she worked out really hard. Her workouts were grueling and demanding, pushing her to her limits. She had a personal trainer who guided her through each session, ensuring she was not only building muscle, but also endurance and stamina. The sweat and effort she put in were a testament to her dedication. She wanted to look and feel strong for the part. Viola understood that to portray a character with such depth and strength, she needed to feel that strength within herself. Every muscle she built, every drop of sweat she shed, was a step closer to becoming her character. Viola showed us that age is just a number. She's strong and dedicated. Her journey is a powerful reminder that with determination and hard work, we can achieve anything. Viola's commitment to her role in Fences is not just about physical strength. It's about the strength of character, the will to push beyond limits, and the passion to bring authenticity to her performance. Her story is an inspiration to all, proving that true dedication knows no bounds. Viola lifted weights 3 times a week. She did squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises made her whole body strong. Lifting heavy weights helped her build muscle. Viola's journey into weight training began a few years ago when she realized the importance of strength in her daily life. Initially, she was hesitant, unsure if lifting weights was the right path for her. However, with the guidance of a knowledgeable trainer, she soon discovered the transformative power of weightlifting. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Viola would head to the gym, ready to challenge herself. Her routine was meticulously planned. On Mondays, she focused on squats, a fundamental exercise that targets the legs and core. Squats not only improved her lower body strength, but also enhanced her balance and stability. Wednesdays were dedicated to deadlifts, an exercise that works the entire posterior chain from the back to the hamstrings. Deadlifts were Viola's favorite because they made her feel powerful and capable. She loved the sensation of lifting heavy weights off the ground, knowing that each rep was making her stronger. Fridays were for bench presses, which primarily target the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Bench pressing was a challenging exercise for Viola, but she enjoyed pushing her limits and seeing her progress over time. Each week, she aimed to lift a little more weight or complete an extra rep, always striving for improvement. Viola's commitment to weight training paid off in many ways. Not only did she build muscle and strength, but she also gained confidence and resilience. The discipline and dedication required for weightlifting spilled over into other areas of her life, helping her tackle challenges with a newfound sense of determination. In addition to the physical benefits, weight training became a form of therapy for Viola. It was a time when she could focus solely on herself, clear her mind, and release any stress or tension. The gym became her sanctuary, a place where she could escape the demands of everyday life and invest in her well-being. Through her weight training journey, Viola learned that strength is not just about physical power, but also about mental fortitude. She discovered that with the right mindset and consistent effort, she could achieve goals she once thought were impossible. Weightlifting taught her the value of perseverance and the importance of setting and working towards personal milestones. Viola's story is a testament to the transformative power of weight training. It shows that with dedication, guidance, and a positive attitude, anyone can embark on a journey to become stronger, both physically and mentally. Viola did yoga twice a week. Yoga helped her stretch and relax. It also made her mind calm and focused. Viola ate healthy food to fuel her workouts. She ate around 1,800 calories each day. She ate lots of fruits and vegetables. Section 5, Hydration for peak performance. Viola drank lots of water throughout the day. Water is important for muscles and energy. Section 6. The power of protein. Protein helped Viola build and repair her muscles. She ate lean protein like chicken and fish. Section 7. The importance of whole foods. Viola focused on whole, unprocessed foods. She ate brown rice, quinoa and sweet potatoes. Section 8. Results, strength, health and a powerful performance. Viola's hard work paid off. She was strong and healthy. She also gave an amazing performance in the movie. Section 9. Inspired by Viola, finding your own strength. Viola's story is inspiring. Viola Davis, an acclaimed actress and a symbol of resilience, has shown us that strength comes in many forms. Her journey is not just about physical strength, but also about mental and emotional fortitude. She has faced numerous challenges throughout her life and career, yet she has always emerged stronger and more determined. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of believing in oneself. You can be strong and healthy too. Find exercises you enjoy and eat nutritious food. Just like Viola, you can find your own path to strength. It doesn't matter where you start. What matters is the journey and the progress you make along the way. Whether it's lifting weights, running, yoga, or any other form of exercise, the key is to find something that you love and that keeps you motivated. Pairing your workouts with a balanced diet, rich in nutrients, will fuel your body and mind, helping you to achieve your fitness goals. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress and consistency. You can achieve your fitness goals. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory and brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or a fitness group, to keep you motivated and accountable. Share your successes and challenges with them, and draw inspiration from their journeys as well. Remember, the path to strength is a personal one, and it's important to honor your own pace and progress. With determination, consistency, and a positive mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So take that first step today and start your journey towards finding your own strength.